If you've tried side hustle after side hustle and still feel like nothing is working, you're definitely not alone. The truth is, most people who start an online side hustle don't see the results they want, not because the business ideas don't work, but because they keep jumping from one idea to the next. One month it's drop shipping, the next it's print on demand. Maybe after that it's Amazon KDP or trying to launch a YouTube channel. Each time people get excited at the start, but when they don't see instant success, they move on. And that means they're starting from zero over and over again. This is what's called shiny object syndrome, always chasing the next big thing, the next promise of quick money, instead of sticking to one path and building it up over time. So if you're serious about making money online in 2025, here's what really works. Pick one proven method and commit to it. Give it time to grow. Be consistent. One of the best side hustles for beginners right now is AI-powered e-commerce. And here's why. First, it removes many of the biggest obstacles that stop people from succeeding. You don't need to hold inventory. You don't need to deal directly with suppliers. You don't need advanced tech skills or expensive designers to build your store. AI tools have made it incredibly easy to get started. For example, with buildyourstore.ai, you can set up a fully designed, professional-looking store in just minutes. You simply enter your name, email, and choose a niche like pet products, fitness gear, or gadgets. The AI handles the design and even suggests products. Next, connect your store to AutoDS. This tool is like having a virtual assistant that works 24/7. It finds trending products, updates your listings, adjusts prices automatically, and handles shipping orders directly to your customers. You don't have to touch inventory, package anything, or stress over suppliers. This setup means you can focus on the most important job, bringing in traffic and making sales. And this is where so many people give up too soon. They launch their store, post a few times, and expect instant results. When that doesn't happen, they assume it doesn't work. But the reality is, success takes time, especially in e-commerce. If you really want to succeed, you need to commit to at least 6 months of daily effort. That doesn't mean working all day, every day. It means doing small, focused tasks consistently. Post about your products on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, wherever your target audience is. Create simple videos showing your products in action. Respond to comments and messages. Build trust with your followers. And keep testing. Try different product descriptions. Update your photos. Adjust your pricing. Little changes can make a big difference in turning visitors into buyers. Now let's talk about what to do when the sales start coming in. A lot of beginners make the mistake of spending that first bit of money on things that don't help their business, new gadgets, clothes, or just fun stuff. But the smart move is to reinvest that profit into growing your store. Upgrade your tools, maybe pay for better product photos or a professional logo. Try running a small ad campaign, or work with a micro-influencer to get your products in front of more people. And as your business grows, start outsourcing small tasks that take up your time, like creating social media posts or editing videos. This frees you up to focus on scaling your business. The key difference between someone who earns a few extra dollars online and someone who builds a real income stream is mindset. The most successful people think long-term. They understand that the goal isn't to make money, just to spend it. It's to use that money to create even more income. So if you want 2025 to be the year you finally build something that lasts, here's your challenge. Stop jumping between side hustles. Pick one method like AI-powered e-commerce, set it up. Commit to showing up every day, and reinvest what you earn back into growing your business. If you found this helpful, subscribe and follow Stacked Hustles. Here we focus on real strategies that work. No hype, no gimmicks, just smart ways to build online income step by step. Let's make 2025 your year to finally create something that lasts.